Wayu MLA na ding constituency ke Jela Assam ubalatip kerteng komu amnimul Islam na keseng All India United Democratic Front AIUDF kabadon haka liang persya haka ying dorbar thawan ketika Jela ula syak kem halor ke jing Kynthoh jang u bagi jing jia Shah Thombor da ki lek no ka Pulwama ya ke kenhun CRPF hau rempang arjar khat khandai bat ke jing Shah set yap ki ar pun ringot ki brio ha Pahalgam dang haki ar singi baladap bagi dei ki bala Sylla da ke Sorkar. Kibor pulet ke Jela Assam kila mudoi suo moto persya yau teu MLA hadien bala sapriang ke video jingkran jang u. Kipulet kila pensyong nong rem bakate ke jingkran uniu MLA kalaya lambakla bat penset pajba kumta la registar mukadama persya yau hanagau police station haki kendon ke Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita. Shushu Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma uloong bau MLA ke AIUDF ula syak pengat haki jingkeno bau syet kela. Uloong bakum ke Sorkar kan pengat kendon yau nu bepersang banyadaya keri Pakistan hadien ki kam Thombor. Nakaliang unoi lam ke AIUDF umalana Baraudin Ajmal ula kentaj ban Kynthoh ai halor ke jingkran u MLA da ke boong bakade ke jingkran shimet jeng u.
BJP सरकार itu mana BJP राष्ट्रीय दुश्मन menera rasa tak boleh dari anda dokumen BJP सरकार
we are also taking strong action against everyone who is directly or indirectly trying to support or trying to defend Pakistan. One of our MLA from United Democratic Front, Sri Aminul Islam, has said yesterday certain things which has angered people of Assam. I have reviewed the video and I have seen that video has been posted in a manner to defend Pakistan in the Pakistan and its complicity in the terrorist attack. I have instructed Assam Police to take strong action against the MLA. DGP has informed me that he has been arrested and he has been booked in the charge of sedition. So we'll take this case to the logical conclusion. I'd like to warn everybody who is in Assam that any attempt to defend Pakistan directly or indirectly will be taken head on and will take strongest possible action. The action against the MLA is one such example, but we can go further and we'll hunt down each and everybody whoever try to support directly or indirectly Pakistan, and this is what we have conveyed in strongest possible terms to my police and also to the other law enforcing agencies.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.